world premiere of Bugatti's newest hypercar. This is a fully functional concept car. This is called the Bolide. It literally translates to racing car. Do you see those X's there on the front? They're actually lights, you guys. Imagine seeing that in your rear view mirror. This car has more horsepower than it weighs, which is pretty much unheard of in the hypercar world. 0 to 100 in 2.2 seconds. All right, we're going in. This is Frank, the Deputy Design Director at Bugatti.
It's a thoroughbred race car, really stripped out. There's not much in here, but it's a two-tone interior with a very nice Alcantara blue and exposed carbon fiber trim.
Bugatti is considering if they should make more of these cars. For now, this is the only one. All right, so you actually have to attach the steering wheel. Nice little satisfied nod there from Frank.
So now we're in the interior. This is the ignition switch. You can hear the fuel pumps come to life. Motorsport display activated. And it's a good time to start the engine, maybe.
This is one of the best sounding Bugattis, you guys.
One camera we have here in the sides. One camera we have here on the back, and one on the other side as well. And those three images get displayed all together here in the center.
So cool. You got the roof scoop there, drawing air straight into the engine. Those X lights on the front. They're turbo fans to draw air out of the brakes there. They're actually fans, guys, on the outside of your rim. How crazy is that? Lots of air intakes to cool this car down. And this here on the fin, W16.4 stands for W16 engine with 4 turbochargers.